am I going to have to ban him before he even starts today? Good evening, everybody. How you doing? What's up, Coco Type? I see Coco Type has the stickers up and running. Oh yeah, stickers. Xcode is on here somewhere there. What's everybody been up to? All right, let's see. What do we got here? I'm gonna make sure everything's working. Oh, music. There you go. And we are going to do a special thing here. We are going to try to open up Discord audio for those of you that are followers, at least followers, and on the Discord. That's the plan. May not work. Who knows? So we'll see. So it's been a while. So I'll open up the Discord chat here. Don't need to hear myself. I'm gonna mute me because you don't need to hear me on the Discord. You can hear me on the streaming. We'll see what happens. If you want to get in there, let me know. If you're on our Discord, shout me a message and I'll invite you over to the channel because we don't want just anybody. Oh, Coco Type. Good on you, sir. Thank you. Yes, I am doing a thing here. It's about time I did something for the community other than just bad coding. We have a special thing going here. St. Jude's Research Hospital. Thank you, Coco Type, for your $5 donation. I am certain they need it and appreciate it. And I know I appreciate it. So if any of you would like to hit that donate button, go for it. They need all the help they can get. Thank you for that. Okay, so we're going to do something here. Have not done in a long time, which you know starts by me saying I don't remember how I did it to begin with. I've got this application here. It is basically a SpriteKit, right? We have this SpriteKit view here inside a SwiftUI view. So all of the UI that you see there, let me get the right bit, is, well, this stuff down here is a SwiftUI view that we are going to use to control the content of what the SpriteKit draws. The only snag is I have not done this in a very long time, so we'll see what happens. Last I checked, they don't have my preferred charity in the Twitch charity thing. Oh, I'm surprised. They have a lot in there, and I thought, you know, normally I go with things for animals, but I thought, nope, let's start with St. Jude's this time. I can't remember how long their list is, but it's long. Yeah. I gotta turn down the music in my headset here because it's a little loud. Which one is it? This one. There we go. Okay, that should turn it down just for me. Look at all this complexity. Complexity, I tell you. Yeah. Click some magic buttons here. Hold on, because I've lost a window. There it is. Alright, so let's run this. Let's see what happens. Last time I did this was a while ago, but it was right, it was working. And then I'll explain how this works and we'll get into making it better. More interesting. Alright, so here it is. The way this works, and I don't think I hooked up these controls. I could be wrong, but I don't think I did. But this one's in there. Right. Actually, maybe I hooked that one up. Yeah, look, line width 0. Oh, I did hook one of the controls up. Did I hook the color up? Wow, I did more than I remembered. Well, look at that, I did. Okay, so what's happening here? I have no idea. No, seriously. We're using SpriteKit to render out these lines, but the way this works is over here in my SpriteKit scene, I have some functionality, right? So I've got this shapes here, just some very basic shapes. I'll get into that in a second. But the way this starts, yeah, it's huge. Still doesn't have the special. Oh, really? It doesn't have the Special Olympics. I'm surprised. They do have a few Special Olympic organizations now. Oh, okay, cool. All right, yeah. So the way this works, right, is This is used by the SpriteKit scene. Okay, what am I talking about? Let me show you. We've got this SpriteKit view here, right? And the scene it's using is SpriteKit scene. It's that code right there, right? And what's it doing? Well, first thing it does, right, when it loads up the view. Uh-oh, hang on. I think it did. Did Discord just crash on me? I think it did. I think Discord just crashed. Right? It's back now. Yeah, so the way this works is like this, right? When it loads up the scene, there's nothing in it. We set the anchor point to the middle, the center of the screen, the center of the dot. Why? Because that's where I want to start drawing. And then I'm going to create a new branch. And the new branch is draw a line with a line count of 5, right? So when we run this, it's going to draw a line. And you can see here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. There's actually a 5th one in there somewhere, but it's random. And I'm now going to show you how that works, right? So it calls this draw branch line. MO is on there. You'll add them. Fantastic. Do it. Yeah. Yeah. So it says draw branch. So over in the shapes here, I've got a few different things, right? I've got a draw line, a draw dot, and a draw branch. Hopefully these first two, self-explanatory. This one draws and returns an SK shape node that's a dot. This one returns a line. It returns the complete line, right? But it takes some arguments here. So when I call draw branch, first thing I do is say, all right, a new empty array. The start point is 0, 0, which is the middle of the screen. The end point is the start point. Don't worry, it sort of makes sense. The number of lines is that line count, right? 5. So the number of lines is 5. And then starting at 0, it's going to go through and say, all right, well, while it's less than the number of lines, so in other words, think of it as a 0-based array, right? Draw a new branch, right? And what it's going to do is it's going to draw a new branch, and it's going to it's going to take the new branch, and it's going to append a new line by offering up the information needed here. So the start point, the end point, the line width, which we set in the UI, I'll get to that in a second, and the line color, also set in the UI. And then we just say the start point is the end point. So what that means basically, if you've got 4 lines, right? Let's just say 2 lines, right? It's going to start in the center, and I'm going to try and do this on my camera here. Start in the center and do 1 line of a random angle, random position, right? Well, basically a random angle from the center. And then from that end point is the new start point for the next line, right? Think of it like lightning. So it's now going to do it again and maybe go off in another direction, right? And it's going to do that for as many lines as I tell it to draw. And that's what's going on here with this math. And then when all of that is done, it returns that completed new branch, right? And when it's got the new branch, that new branch is added to the SpriteKit scene. That's how all this works, right? So when we go back over here, it'll actually run here. So that's what's happening here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are random. These are random numbers. The idea being is it's generative art, right? So this is what I wanted to do. It's sort of like imagine, like I say, lightning from the middle of the screen. Because this is early stages of an idea that I have. And at the moment, we're only drawing 1 branch. There will be more than 1 branch at the end of this. Whole bunch of shapes and everything else. It's going to look a lot more interesting than this. Anyone that's ever seen fractal art, that's kind of what we're going for here, right? So it's drawing this out here. Now, at the moment, like I said, this line count not attached to anything. The line width is working and the color is working. How does that work? Well, we've got this color picker, right? And the color picker up here we have a line color. It starts out with the default of red, but we use a color picker to set that variable along with the width. And there's a line count here. Like I say, it's not hooked up to anything at the moment. So how do those parts happen? Well, you can see here, right? When it draws the new view, this remove art, by the way, is the regenerate button, right? So it does the whole thing over again, and it sends in those values, the line count from up here, the width, and the color, right? So what you'll see in the first time around is the default, run the command with some default numbers, right? It does have some default numbers. So that's what's happening here. So every time we run this and hit the regenerate button, it reruns, but it pulls that width. That's why it's not adjusting in real time. It pulls the width and whatever color I set here, and it sends those arguments in and redraws it, right? And I can just click this as many times as I like. Now, like I said, I don't think it's hooked everything up here, so let me check. 1 will be 0, 2 will be 1 line. Okay, I did hook that up. I'm sorry. So all of these controls are hooked up here, right? So 1, 2, 3, minus the 1 because it's 4. UI error there, gotta fix that, right? And then, like I say, you know, you can set a new color and have it go again. So that's as far as I got. This was a long time ago, and I want to, you know, let's now play with this and have some fun. We're going to hang out this evening and chill and just have some fun with this and see if I can get some new parts working. And for those of you in the chat, you might notice, or you might not, I did put in some new icons, new emotes, and some new redeems as well, because why not? Let me see if I can find them here. Hang on. Show you. So yeah, we got some new ones. Hang on, let me see if I can get all of these. There you go. That's hit them all. A bunch of new ones for you, including an animated one, because why not? And then there are some redeems in there as well, because there's just to let you know, there's a hydrate. I've put a time cap on Stack Overflow and Google and raised the rate. Blame Coco Type for that. But I also added in a voice ban where I think it's 3 minutes. I can't say anything for 3 minutes. That'll be interesting. And then the rest that you've seen before. So have some fun with those. Okay. I knew he was going to do that. All right, 3 minutes starting now. Oh my god, that was agony. Never know how hard that was. Good news is there's a cooldown timer on it, because otherwise people will be like flicking through the stream. They're like, "What's this idiot doing?" Hey, so look, we've got this totally 90s style art going on here, right? Which is kind of interesting. Alright, so, yeah, okay, that was easy. Just a button to add another branch. But I did notice, yeah, look, see, there's a, we need to figure out what to do on the interface here a little bit. Running out of interface room. There is not. I thought I put a countdown. Okay, those don't count. I swear I thought I put a timer on there. I'm gonna go look right now, because I thought I did. You know what? I put a timer on. I put a timer on everything. Did I not save it? Like, I hate to say this, but try one of the Google ones or something. I swear I thought I put a timer on there. Maybe not that one. Okay, yeah, hydrate I can do. Hydrate should have hopefully a countdown on it. Okay, I just missed it. Alright. I will respect the bans today. Exactly. Don't think I didn't... When I was setting these up, Coco Type, don't think that I wasn't thinking of you, and how could this be abused? I learned. I've seen the hot sauces. I know what happens. Hey, Nicholas. How you doing, buddy? What's going on? By the way, that's why I also made the hydrate any liquid, because I got coffee right now. Thank you. Nicholas, there are some new things to redeem. One of them has already been tested, and it's incredibly painful, which is not saying anything for a couple of minutes. Gotta be 3 minutes, surely. The second most painful to the streamer redemption I've seen after, yeah, stream without glasses. Oh, like, can I even do that? Actually, I can do that, but I'm not gonna. I can't read the chat room, but I can read the code. Eagle North, thank you, buddy, and thank you for the subscription, and thank you for the donation. I greatly appreciate that. How you doing, Eagle North? Thank you. See, I knew that you were a good bot. Yeah, it was a good bot. What's up, Eagle Naught? I am sure Eagle Naught will be availing himself of the functionality, just like Cocoa Type has. But I tell you what, whilst Cocoa Type brings everybody up to speed on the new options for you to mess with me, I'm gonna grab me some more coffee. So give me 1 second here. I think I want to go back to, yeah, there you go. Okay. I gave all my money to a charity last month. Yeah, the IRS. Sorry about that. Cocoa Type is getting me a job as the head of a major league soccer team so I can afford it. Maybe, I think you might be watching a little bit too much Ted Lasso. Just saying. But thank you, Eagle Naught and Cocoa Type, for your donations. I am super happy, and I think some dudes will be too. Thank you. I'm going to grab me some more coffee, so I'm going to be right back here. So my suggestion is don't redeem anything yet as far as banning talking, because it won't help you none for the next couple of minutes. Only if you promise to be bad at it. Oh, I think we know what he can do. There you go. All right, I'll be right back, folks. Anyone else find that laughter in between the tracks rather creepy? I know I did. Yeah. It's a sticker in front of my face. You need 200 coins. Hey, you know what? I'm going to tell you right now, if you hang in there long enough, you're going to get them. Oh, yeah. Uh-oh, maybe he found them. It's a scam. This is the internet. There's no such thing as a scam on the internet. The internet is the scam. was it? I read a thing the other day. Someone's got this crazy theory that all the internet is fake. It's all already pre-made, and I can't remember exactly what it was, but it was some crazy theory. We're gonna have to trim him back, aren't we? Someone been writing scripts again? Not looking at anyone. Looking at you, Kokoto. See, this is why I don't charge for them, because I'd be rich and you'd all be in the poorhouse. Besides, I would much rather you gave your money to charity. You could script that. I'm sure you actually easily could, right? Probably with Automator would make it even easier. Yeah. He's a known hacker and pizza eater. Yeah. And he goes to conferences without paying for anybody else to go. Just a thing. Alright, let's see here. See, something that I thought about. Whilst this is cool, kind of wanted almost an option to have this pattern replicate around, right? So we need multiple branches that are the same, right? Which is going to come down to this, probably. Well, actually, what it'll be, I think. Yeah, we'll have to mess with this a bit. But before we do that, I want to fix the interface. The IRS isn't real. They can't hurt you. Oh, wait a minute. It's not. You're not going to be one of those people that says that due to some technicality of something that was never signed in, it's not valid, and therefore you're not going to pay your taxes. I just remember someone saying something about it. I paid for the conference in January before the IRS took all my money. That's smart. Yeah. See Project Hack for details. Hey, by the way, I did a lot of work this weekend in the Unreal Engine version of that. It's coming along very well. So, very close to finishing up all of the current content and then adding the Firebase, at least the Firebase leaderboards, so that you're going to all fight amongst yourselves as to who's the top hacker. We know it's Nicholas, but don't tell him. Like Bigfoot. I simply think you think the IRS is encrypted? I'd rather, frankly, believe more in the cryptids than the IRS if I had a choice. Yeah. By the way, there is I have gone down total rabbit holes on all that stuff on YouTube. And once you start getting in those rabbit holes, you don't get out of them. And I don't mean the IRS. You never get out of the IRS. Right, let me fix up this interface. So we need a vertical stack here for everything, right? There. We need it there. And then I need that H stack and there. And then I need another one to go there. Perfect. Okay, well, not perfect, but a start. The IRS is definitely run by Chewbacca. Well, they are bloodsuckers. Yeah, I see where you're going with that. But they're not goat. Yeah. Oh, wait, I did add a goat sound. Yeah, there you go. I'm using, by the way, I'm using my iPhone again today as the camera, thanks to the whatever it's called. Elgato software eCam thing. So let me know how that goes. Let me know if that's okay, because I'm not sure. Looking here, it's a little delayed for me with the audio, but I don't know if that's happening for all of you because of, well, all of this piping that I've got going on here, right? I'm actually going to change these to starting out with 5. Okay. So, see, that's my branch right there. Okay, so I wonder if I take this loop. Let's hard code this out first of all and see if it works. That would be identical. Oh god, he got his script working? Is it I gotta ask, is it a terminal script or how did you do it? I'm almost regretting. Curl command. Oh, you can curl it directly. That seems dangerous. Okay, so I think that's doing 2 lines on top of itself, which is what I'd expect. So I think what needs to happen we now need to introduce some kind of rotation here. Yeah, see the draw branch. I think that one there is, I think that's my rotation. But I'm opening up the playgrounds now to make it a Swift script. Hey, you know, gotta make it a Swift script, make it legit, right? This is where what happens now is CocoaType automates all of his chat and actually just sleeps through the stream, right? CocoaType sleeps more than he normally would. Let's be fair. So this is where it rotates our points. Yeah. think that's what that was. Yeah, I think so. We've got our branch. That would give us exactly the same thing. How do I rotate that new branch here? Right, so new branch. I think actually that's what it's gonna want. Okay, let's try this. Let's just do something. Type something, Peter. Type something. Actually, I can't do it there. It would have to be over here. Let's. I think I painted myself into a corner. I got to think about this for a second. Just put a hard-coded value. It's going to throw it all way wonky, but I want to see if we see two separate lines. I don't think I saw what I expected. Okay, I do hit it. Oh, Kane H, thank you so much, buddy. Appreciate that. On behalf of St. Jude's, thank you. You are all so awesome. Look at you go. Yeah. I don't have a cheer. I should have put a cheer. Can I give you? I can give you a goat instead. Here you go. That's what I got. Kane H, thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. All for a good cause. How you doing, Kane H? What's been happening? I didn't know that was going to be a chat thing. Sorry. Okay, so if you want it to be anonymous, everyone forget that you did that. Forget that he did that. Yeah, yeah, I didn't know it was going to appear until the first one either, so... Just goes to show how awesome you are. Yeah. We knew you were awesome anyway. I seem to have forgotten everything. Oh, don't worry. I wake up in the morning, that's what I say to myself. I seem to have forgotten everything. By the way, in case anyone's wondering, let me uncomment this and show you. This dot was what I put in here as a reference. Right there, just so I could make sure that the center of the screen was the center of the screen. In case you're wondering what the draw dot was. Yeah. If I just call this again, it's basically going to make another random, right? And I don't want the random second time round. I actually want same. I want it exactly the same so that I can rotate it to essentially make the pattern. Does that make sense to everybody? Makes sense to me. Uh-oh. This is taking a long time to preview. That's not a good sign. No, build failed. Because I got 2 of those. Alright, let's go with the new branch B, like you do. So it's actually, you can't see it, but it is right here's the start. So it's actually making 2 different lines, right? But they're both different, and that's what I don't want. I want them both to be the same. Although the interesting part there, actually, I could create another option there to say generate this many, generate this many branches. Funny enough, yeah. So I need this new branch that I've got, but I need to take that whole thing, rotate it some amount. So problem is what the branch is actually doing here, right? When it draws a branch, right? Draw branch. It's taking those numbers in, doing everything it should here, and it returns the new branch that then gets added to the screen, right? So I was kind of thinking, well, I could just take that one and rotate it. But I got to think about how that works. This is the part here. This is really, this is what's adding it to the SpriteKit scene. I wonder, gosh, I'm in the math territory. I should have stayed away. Right, I know that's going to be exactly the same, but well, I say that, but oh, it's going to be out of scope. Oh, is this? Uh-oh. Did he just find a way to automate the unicorn? He's testing it. You know he's testing it in Swift right now, right? That's what's going on. Hacker's gonna hack. He's furiously typing away like, I gotta automate this by the time he's finished the stream. I gotta automate this. Not working for some reason. Oh no. I don't know if I'm really disappointed or not, Coco type. That's the truth of it. I kind of want you to succeed, and I kind of don't. But I mostly do. muttering, "I'm in," but finding he's out. Yeah, right. It is. It's one of those you're like, I know it's to my detriment if you figure it out, but God, I really want you to figure it out. By the way, Pretzels randomly selected the 80s. No, what was it? VHS 80s station again this week. That's why we got this one. Okay, so how do I... Oh! Hold on. Right over the face. Unicorn in the face. Really? Oh, man. That hurts. Hurts the unicorn a whole lot more than it hurts me. You were missing a curly brace. Don't code like me, dude. Don't code like me. It's not a good path. Maybe I just keep the unicorn in the face. Maybe that's what I do. Oh, he's gone now. There you go. I got an idea. All right. And then can I do this and say, okay, new branch 2. Can I rotate new branch 2? New branch would be gonna be a node. Well, okay, you know what? Oh, this feels hinky, but I wonder if I can put a new scene. Well, I'm gonna hate this. I know this is a bad idea. Oh Lord, now he's done it. Can you believe he's wrecking my stream? Seemed bad enough, didn't it? Okay, it does. It is offsetting it, but it's actually really just offsetting the same one. What I need is a new... I don't think I need more scenes. That feels wrong. What I need... I was on the right path. New branch 2 equal new branch, right? And then using branch 2. But I actually want to rotate the whole branch. And I think that's where things get a little tricky. There's new branch. It's going to be an SK shape node, but I actually want to rotate the SK shape node. I only set it to do 10. Nope, did it for 20. Hey, it worked. How high I can set that number before I get banned? Actually, Coco Type, I'm confident that since you're a moderator, it ain't going to ban you, buddy. I might. Or is that what you meant? All right. Since nobody banned me from doing it, I've done a quick Stack Overflow. How to rotate a line? I don't need to rotate a line. I know how to do that. Create the shape with a position equal to the start position of the line. Forget the first number you thought of and divide it by 3. And with the line relative to that point. Oh, about Z rotation. Ooh. Okay. I don't think that's actually going to be here though. I think that'll be in. I think that would actually happen back over here, right? Oh, wait. I thought of a way to do this. Maybe. Maybe not. I know what I need to do, and I just can't get it in code. Getting banned from the sticker extension. Oh, getting me to ban you? Random number each time. Let me know when you're about to sign off and I'll set it to like 500. Okay, well, yeah, we'll test. We'll test it at the end just in case it does kick you out. Because then I'd have to unkick you. We'll do it at the end. Yeah, you got it. Oh man. Alright, so here's what I'm thinking. Alright, these are just a bunch of functions. But what I'm wondering, if I do this, right, because I won't lose. So if I say var current branch, and it's going to be an SK node, right? And so instead of just drawing it, I'm going to assign it to a variable that hopefully will retain the same branch. That's what I'm thinking. So it's going to be an SK shape node, right? So I'll get my current branch here. Yeah. Just blink. Thank you. So down here, when I generate, right, it's going to remove it all. It's going to do all this, yada yada yada. Actually, you know what? I don't want it here. It is only relevant to SpriteKit, so I want it here. Right? So we'll say I'm gonna do that. I'm thinking do all this, do all that, but got a feeling I'm about to break all of my code here. So current branch dot add child line, that should put everything on the current branch, and then self dot add child node current branch. Do you not like that? No, you were happy with that. Okay, good. I guess. Now, thing is, oh, Hold on. I think actually this should go here. Do it the first time. Current branch. No, sorry. Current branch. Add line. Let's just completely forget about generate the new art button for now. If I run this, nothing should be on the screen. Good. Didn't work. Want to try one more thing real quick, but I'll only do one. Didn't work. Yeah, you're right. Didn't work because I didn't even notice it. I bet it was awesome though. All right, that's okay. Now that should be adding this branch that I've now got a reference to, right? Let's just experiment again, as if I wasn't already experimenting. Add child current branch dot zero rotation. All right, plus equals 10. Rotate it by 10. Nope, wait, I got something wrong. This cannot convert value of type. Bleh. Do I just... Is it read only? No, it can't be. The Euler rotation about... Oh, okay. Wait, we're going to take the one we already had. I think it's that. I think it's that. I'm not sure. Could be wrong. I am wrong. Alright. Let's go backwards. Hold on. SK sprite node 0 rotation. Let's just go with this one for now. Just randomly go with that number. Let's not work at all. I'm clearly doing something over here, right? Alright, let's just call it rotate branch. It's even scarier when all the errors go away, right? One, two, three. Wait, did you redeem Hydrate? Oh, you did? Yeah, well. I wonder. Yeah. Alright, thank you. I need to add a sound or something, I guess, so I can see it. It's hard to know, right? Because, sorry, Beagle Lord, but when Coco Type is just putting a whole bunch of you-know-what in there, you know, you should talk to himself about that. Thank you. Oh, there is a Hydrate sticker, that's true. You should just do them both in one go. There you go, see? There you go. But it doesn't count unless you do the other one first. I know, Eagle Knot. Life's very confusing. You know who's to blame. Alright, so I don't think everything that should happen did happen. Somehow Notify is behind. Notify is too honest, you know that, right? Mostly it happens at night, mostly. Okay, so I am hitting this, but oh, nope. I don't think. Oh, it did do it, but it's not the same shape, right? It's still not. Okay, what do I not got going on here? Unless, of course, it is doing it. But it's not gonna... Could be I chose a bad number. Should have known, saw him playing Final Fantasy last night. Is too honest, it's suspicious. Yeah. Highly suspicious. Okay, still, I mean, it did. Now, I'm not convinced it's doing it. I guess one way to find out here, right? If we comment that one out, let's see if this one's drawing, right? They could call it the Final Fantasy, but yeah, I know. I've always wondered about that too. Thank you. Okay, see, it did generate, and it generated the same thing, I think. But thank you. I wondered about this. It's like saying the final Lord of the Rings. No. The final Game of Thrones. No. Look, it is generating the same one at a rotation. It is actually doing it. Now, the problem is, okay. So probably let's do this. Let's do what about draw count equals 0, right? Let's just say let draw count equal 5, and then while draw count no, wait, we don't need to do that one. Archetype says I mean, it was both the final Lord of the Rings and Game of Thrones in both cases. Very high temperatures made sure of that. Semantics. Hey, by the way, don't know if anyone's seen it yet, but I can't recall the name of it. But there's looks like an interesting program coming to, I think it's Apple TV. The one where they're all in, Silo, it's called, yeah. There was no more ring than there was, well, but there sort of was a throne, right? I mean, if Game of Thrones is over, explain King Charles. Well, thank you, Eagle Naught. The voice of wisdom right there. Bless you, don't even get me started. If you thought Game of Thrones was violent, just saying. Lived through it. The Silo. I haven't read it. I want to just go in on the TV experience first. Although I lost interest in Foundation pretty quickly. TV series. I don't. Never read the books. Oh, book. See, that's how much I know. Instead of ice zombies, you just got the Irish. Well, given how the ice zombies seemed so menacing, and then she takes them all out with one stab at the end. Spoiler alert. I'd rather have the Irish because those ice zombies, they might have looked awesome, and they walked all that distance, but dang, they were a pushover in the end. Just saying. That bit I did see. Alright, let's get rid of that. And I think we want to do some kind of loop here. Did someone leave a Starbucks cup on the balcony? What? Oh. I think you all know my opinions on that family who I paid taxes for so many years, right? I'll refrain from telling it. All right, let's do this. Let's experiment here. Let start count gonna be 0, and then let total count. Let's just hard code some numbers for now, right? And then we'll just say while start count is less than total count plus 1. No. Less than total count. Do this thing for me, right? And then at the end, I know it's bad, but I just want to see if I can get this working. Oh, wait. I gotta catch up on chat here. Blame it on the corgis. It's always the corgis. Yeah. Their little legs. Taxes, the royal family are chupacabra too? Hey, there are those out there that think the chupacabra are the reptilian race. Think the royal family are the reptilian race. So don't get them started. Yeah. Is it better to complain about fake royalty or actual royalty? Is there a difference? I'm not, in my eyes, I'm not sure that there's a difference. Just saying. Just go with these for now. I don't know that there's a difference in my opinion. They're all fake to me. All right. Hitting the regenerate button, nothing's happening. But he didn't crash either. should have. I think I should have set that there. I think. Cannot convert value of type SK shape node to expected argument type node. What did I... Let's go back. What did I take out here that I should not? Get rid of that for a second. This should get me back to happy place with one branch, right? Yeah. Okay, good. The real royalty were the friends we made along the way. Oh my god. Oh, here he is, Mr. Suspicious. Wait, what? Oh, there is Mr. Suspicious. Hey, Nutify, we have resurrected. Yeah, Nutify's got no idea what's going on now, right? Nutify, I have brought back to life, and I'm working on, you may remember this, SK SpriteKit in a SwiftUI interface is what we are working on. And I got multiple lines going here now, but I'm actually moving on to trying to get the patterns working, right? So, yeah, these... So, we had the ability to make a mess today. But what I'm working on now is replication. I want to get the replicated pattern going. Yeah, that's what we got. Oh, okay. Sorry, folks. He's he's put the band in place. Here we go. think that's 3 minutes. I'm not sure. Will you let me know? I'll get the timer thing going before next time. Gosh, I make new things and you just want more. But I am going to go get me some more drink here, so I'll be right back. You know what to do. Don't Coco type, try your script. Yeah, hydrate it is. See? Thank you. And you only had to tell me once. Oh, you know, I think I just figured out what's wrong here. I think it's rendering over the top of itself. Hang on. Because I think that's what I did there, right? Maybe it rotated 10 and it just kept staying there, and what I thought was happening, I don't know. We'll find out. Assign value of type int to type float. Well, I didn't make it an int compiler. You did. Okay, CG float, for crying out loud. Thank you. Oh heck yeah, I just found the list. You found the list of all stickers. I can script it to just post every sticker. Yeah, you can try. You'll only be doing it once, I can tell you that much. Yeah. No, I still don't think it's doing it. I don't think. Total branch is 20, right? Let's see if it's actually running these things. Generate new art, generate new art. I don't think it's actually running it. Running any of this? Did I like totally mess something up here? Okay, get to that point. Yeah, current branch is 0, right? See it here, current branch is 0. Did I like do something really silly, like screw up my loop here or something? I feel like I'm doing something really silly. Okay, let's go with the old fallback. Current branch count. Yeah, see? That should give me 2 branches, at least. But they're still not. So the branches should look identical. Current branch. Then use the current branch. Yeah, add the current branch. Make a copy of the current branch. I don't think this will do it. They'll just render over the top of each other if they do anything. Why am I still getting more than one? I definitely shouldn't be getting more than one at this point. I put some code in somewhere and forget about it. I don't think I did. Well, actually, say that, but I did take out the part to remove the old one, didn't I? Yeah. Scene. I don't remember what it is now. Remove all children. That's what it was. I think that was it. No, that wasn't it. Yeah, you agree, right? Remove all children. Different kind of thing, but same principle. I see where you're going. This is the point where I ask myself, did I put this under source control? And I think we know what the answer is going to be. Oh, I did! Praise the Lord. Alright. I never ever use source control in Xcode. So I know somewhere there should be... Isn't there... Where's the show me the compare thing? No? Shouldn't that be here somewhere? I know it exists, I'm sure I've seen it. Am I just imagining it? Where's the compare with history? Top right. I was looking over in top right. Am I not looking at the right thing? Please tell me it's not that one. Or volcanic. View show code. Okay. You know, that's the thing. It's not showing me. It's not letting me see the code review. That's a bad thing, right? That's bad. Oh, regular file viewer. Ah, okay. Oh, all right. Whoops. Hold on. Where's my damn window? It's all a bit weird. Is this what you're looking for? Editor side-by-side comparison? Editor side-by-side comparison. What's going on? I don't know, because nothing came up. But yes, I think it is. And I get... Oh, you know what? You're right, because it's got an A for add. Hang on. Shit. Okay. Forget everything, because apparently I never put this one in source control. That's the lesson, kids. Don't be like me. Put it in source control first. Now at least it makes sense from the editor standpoint. Thank you. Alright. I've actually now completely sidetracked myself so much I've forgotten what I was doing. What was I even going to look for? I can't even remember what I was going to look for. Give me a minute. Oh, actually, wait. I think the file I want is this one. Oh, really? It may have been a while since I committed. And should be. I remember that thing I was saying about making commits. Don't leave uncommitted changes and then leave the project alone for 6 months. This is what happens. Don't be that guy. All right. Okay, well, dang. At least we know that the interface in Xcode works. It's me that doesn't. I know. Okay. I thought that was the one that removed them all. Let's check. let's take all of this. Let's not add anything new. Turn that into a clean slate button. Good. It does still do that. Whew. All right. So it should only add one branch in its current form, which it does. But then I hit the regenerate, and now it's not cleaning out. It's not cleaning house. Okay. What did I click? Oh, nothing. Okay, good. What the hell's going on? Stop. Thank you. I do a self. Could be the same thing though. Oh, what? Okay, what? Oh, you know what it doesn't do? Oh, wait. I may have actually done something better than I planned. Because of what I think it's doing, yeah, it's adding the lines, it's not resetting current branch. That's why. I've actually solved a future problem here by accident, I think. Because that was something I wanted to do later on, was like, how do I add them all to the same one? Yeah. So actually, funny enough, this is what I wanted, but I didn't want it till later on. I'm just going to go with it. Keep adding the new ones, right? Now I understand what's going on. Okay. All right. Now, back to the original problem, which is current branch I actually don't want any of that. It's going to go over the top of itself, but it should be rendering the same one over and over. And you can't see it, but it is. Okay, hold on. I think that's where I want it to be. And now, what I need here is we know it's a CG float because it argued about it before, right? We're just going to start with 0. And then every time it does this, we're going to say current rotation and then current branch the rotation equals current rotation. Please no errors. Okay. What I want to see is the same looking branch every time I hit the button, generated, rotated by 10 degrees. It's the same branch. Okay, good. But let's now take out the remove all. And it's not 10 degrees. I've just realized. But it is the same branch. But why is it keep... It's still clearing it out. Is it because it has a this one? Let me think. I think I know why it's doing it. I'm just trying to figure out how to put it into words. I think it's rotating and redrawing the same one, but it's replacing itself. That's what I think's happening. So let new branch equal current branch, right? And then the new branch, whoops, new branch is going to be rotated, and then current branch needs to add the new branch. That should give, so it shouldn't, I don't know though, I guess we'll see. Why is it not syntax highlighting that? What, it's gonna complain about something. Okay. Let's see. New branch is something doesn't feel right. I feel like I'm really close. Current rotation. New branch, get your rotation. Let's just stop by doing. Yeah, I know, because I took the code. Current branch. Just want to add the new branch, right? There's no. But what I don't understand is why it's clearing there. That's. That should be identical. So all it should be doing is mapping over the top of it stuff. Not doing that. I feel like I'm wrapping myself in circles. Okay, you know what? Is it big? Front rotation is... We did it. Front rotation should now be 20, yeah. New branch. Think I don't think something's happening here like I think it should. What is it? Book color. In a different color. You gonna like that? I bet you're not. Yeah, told you. You're not gonna like it, are you? Yeah. It should be an NS color. I don't think it's duplicating that shape node like I think it is. Let's just do it all in the generate, save me a few clicks. It's doing it. I'm not seeing it. Fuck you, Xcode. So it didn't like something, it just didn't want to tell me. Yep, you're unhappy about something. You just don't know what you're unhappy about. Alright. Go back down here. New branch. Be the same as current branch. Current rotation. Let's just add one. It doesn't matter. Rotations. Look, color of green for what it's worth, and then add it. You're unhappy about something, you just don't know what it means. I don't know what language that is supposed to mean. Current branch. Okay. I'll simplify this even. New branch. Okay. Same branch. Rotated. That is all correct. Look, right? That is what I want. But I want it all on the same one. So I really need one branch to add that. Unless of course I've got some kind of recursiveness going on that it's just not telling me about or throwing an error for. That's entirely possible. He isn't up on his memes. No. Not a huge meme guy actually. I know, shocking. Okay. So at least I know it's doing it, what it's supposed to. As far as rendering it out. It's just not combining them. Although it didn't make it green either, did it? Actually, that makes sense because it's not going to do that because it is a representation of this one up here, which is fine because that actually makes sense. Is there a way? Oh, this is so hinky. Current branch. Instead of adding it, I'm wondering if there's a way I can combine the two. Figure that out. That's like the last step here. Anyone else think the intro to that song sounded a lot like Dadless thing? I feel like that's what I've already done. What? Because if I just put self back in, it's gonna re-render itself. But that's the whole point. I got the current branch and I want the new branch to be a child of the current branch. Makes sense in my head, right? If I put this back to self, it'll start running again, right? Yeah, see? Hold on. Combined nodes. Okay, wait. Combine nodes. Is going to be an SK. Let's create a whole new one. Right, and then add the child of current, and then add. I mean, I feel like it's the same thing, but branch. And then instead, on the stage, I feel like that's the same damn thing, but this way we're replacing the parent. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I think that, I feel like that's the same thing. Although I'm highly suspicious that for some reason that is colored wrong. Just saying, Xcode. What's up with that Xcode? Why is that not colored correctly? Just saying. Little suspicious. Let's do this. Let's put it up here just for a second. Even if my win here is just want to get 2 on the screen. I will take that as a win. Right. So let's just say new branch equals current branch. Right? Unexpected. Did you mean I probably did? Yeah, I did. Okay, so I should get 2. Yeah, see? What's the deal with that? Am I not re-rendering a screen here or something? Okay, and I think I did. So maybe I need to have an empty parent. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe but I think I just did that. Right, these controls won't work now because, well, I broke that intentionally. Oops, that wrong. Gotta go check out the trash. Call me when it's time to run my script. Oh, okay. I think you've got more than enough time to take out the trash. Yeah. Oh, C style statement's been removed. Yeah, I think I got that wrong. Actually, I got it. Up there when you take out the trash, you have to fight the spiders. Yeah, that's true. And we've spoken about those spiders before, right, Eagle? Not a cool thing. Alright, I need to get some more hydration here. You're supposed to be doing chores. I will be right back, folks. He knows that this script is going to be run every time he goes off screen. If future streams, right? You know I'm going to ban you before I go off screen if you stream, right? Even if he doesn't want to admit it, he knows. The truth. All right. What was I doing? Oh yeah. All right. Let's just. So 4. Gotta think of a decent name. Oh, let's just call it index. Let's do that for now, right? Oh, sorry. I guess I could do that. Wait, what did I miss? Oh. Okay. More like a, wait, we have an IRL SpriteKit in chat? We do. A master if you played Project Hack. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Has he really made it past professional? I don't know. In case anyone wonders what he's talking about, by the way. If you want to be in on the in-joke, hang on. We're talking about my game here, right? But you can also go to projecthack.net, one word. I'm actually building the Unreal version right now, the full one, and it's going very well. But you can play the single player beta. Because we have there's script kiddies, newbies, masters, professionals. Pick your level of choice, right? Let me get the. It just keeps replacing itself. Oh, actually, there it would. Stupid me. That would replace itself, but this shouldn't. That should be generating. Drive me crazy. Why? Okay. Let's do this. Current, let's put in an empty arrow. Right? We're going all in here. All in, folks. Alright, we got a current canvas. So down here, that's all good. But instead of that, we're going to say self dot add current child, which would be the current canvas, and then current canvas. I'm going to add that on the first time through. So this should just be the one that runs like so. Right. Nothing broken there. Then down here, we're not going to touch current branch. We're just going to say current canvas, add You wanna bet the result ends up being the same. What's the frickin' deal? This is. I should have done this anyway. Because that's just a sensible thing to do. But I don't understand why it's redrawing itself. This will have the same result, right? There must be some magical thing I don't know about here where it just wipes everything out and starts over. Or it's something to do with the duplication here of the current branch, because I bet if I do this, this will probably work, right? Oops. If I get rid of all of that, I think that'll work. More of a script senior citizen. An SSC sounds better if you say it that way. Well, that doesn't do it either. Oh. You know what? Hang on, I didn't. Branch B. Call it branch B. I know it's going to be broken for a second. Don't worry, I'm getting there. Catch me at the script oh my gosh, hang on. Script Country Kitchen Buffet every Saturday at 6 a.m. Oh, is it sad that I get the joke? Yeah. You don't believe there's an thank you, an SCKB within 1,000 miles. No, but there's 1,000 spiders within 1 mile. Fundamental piece of annoying crap am I not finding here? Oh, shit. No, it can't be that. It can't be. No, good. It's not that. Okay. I don't freaking know, folks. I feel like I'm closer because I have got the same line being drawn and rotated. It's just not putting it all on the same damn thing. Yeah, don't know. Still thinking. $446 miles away. Road trip! It's a hell of a road trip. You know, I think I'm going to call it quits here maybe, because I'm driving myself insane doing the same thing over and over again, which is not the answer here, right? Exactly. But I've still got a step closer than I wanted to be. I just didn't get all the way through where I wanted to. Yeah. Oh boy. What do you think, folks? Is it script time? Dare we let him? I'll tell you what, before you do that, let's get the serious business out the way here, folks. Hang on. I would be remiss if I did not mention these folks. Plus, I just got to. Yeah, Nicholas says script time. See, he's all about that. Be sure, follow CocoType, right? All these awesome folks hanging out in the chat here. Follow Notify, right? And then don't think Mono is with us today, but we're going to give him a shout anyway. And we'll give Hey Jay Wilson. These are all awesome streamers. Thoroughly recommended. With that, let's see here. Oh, actually, I do want to mention this too. Join us in our Discord, where all of these folks, we all hang out in there, have a much more fun than we do on this with terrible code. Thank you for hanging out, everybody. I'm getting everything out the way here in case his script crashes the internet. Alright, if we're all ready for this, thank you, everyone. Appreciate you. Have a wonderful few days. CocoType might be streaming tomorrow. I don't know. But we're going to let him run his script and hope for the best. This is going to go horrible, folks. So, thank you. Appreciate you all. We'll pick this up next time. Go on, CocoType. Go for it, buddy. Three, two, one, and then nothing. This is a bit of an anticlimax, CocoType. Anyone else less impressed than I am? See, if I was smart and cruel, I would end the stream right now and make him look like a complete idiot. Yeah, thanks for coming, everyone. Shall I do it? Shall I kill him off before he gets the token? Go on, Eagle, you tell me. Yeah, we're tormenting him tomorrow. Yeah, we'll let him try. Not that we would, right? No, we wouldn't do that kind of thing. We'll give him a minute. Well, you know, I mean, he did it with one sticker. Anyone else feel like it was supposed to be more impressive than that? You know? I know. He built it up, right? We gave him Master Script Kiddie status and everything, and all we got was one sticker. Suddenly, I feel like my code is actually a lot better. Just saying. I am in awe. There you go. Dang. I thought he was going to do all the stickers, though. He's getting there, but it's all the same sticker. I thought it would have kicked him out by now. Oh, Mono, buddy, you came in at the wrong moment. So, obviously I have not been keeping track of how many it's done. So only you can tell us, CocoType, when you hit 500. You didn't think to put that in the script, buddy? Really? Oh, Eagle Note's been counted. There you go. We're up to like 7, right? we So we have no idea of knowing when this 500 is going to be up, right? Every half second. You want me to sit here for 4 minutes with this? Really? No, that's like the worst end of a stream ever. People are going to be like, dude. I'm surprised the viewers hasn't dropped to 1 of just basically Coco type at this point. Oh, you know what? You say that, but someone's about to get an advert in 1 minute. Yeah, Mono, you found the new stuff, buddy. Yeah. I'm surprised it has not thrown you out yet. I gotta be honest, I thought by now they would have killed you for hitting it. Yeah, I'm surprised. You know, when they look at their logs and see what you did, though, they might change their mind. See, I can make this a lot easier on folks and do this. But that would be less fun. Jeez. Where are we at? Anybody? How long has he been doing this now? Anyone know? I got no idea what number we're up to. You tried killing the script and it didn't die. Well, I did kill the audio because it's killing my ears. Yeah, it's still going, by the way, as you can clearly hear. Yeah, I mean, I figure the script must have finished on your machine by now, right? Oh, dang. Oh, okay, this is getting really annoying. I gotta turn the audio off because it's driving me nuts. It's like the worst trance song ever. Oh! What? I think we got there. Oh, you force killed it? Okay. Well, hey, we answered the question for you. Yeah, it works. Yeah. If anyone can guess the right number, good luck with that. Yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, Michaela would probably love this. Yeah. Driving me nuts in my ears, I tell you. The night of the unicorn is finally over. Yeah. 426. 499. Alright, folks. Well, we let him have his little fun. And somehow I didn't lose the viewers. I don't know what's up with that. Well done to everybody. That's it, folks. I'm going to leave it there. I think we turned the base up so far. Yeah, oh yeah. You've got the right answer if anyone gets it. Okay. We'll tune in tomorrow. Tune into Cocoa Type stream tomorrow to find out what the number is. How about that? Yeah. Alright, folks. Have a wonderful rest of your evening. If I see another unicorn this week, it will be too soon. Join us. I will join us all in giving Cocoa Type grief tomorrow. How about that? 169? There you go. Damn. Alright, folks. Have a great one. Thank you. And sorry that you're late to the party, Mono. You totally missed it, buddy. But not much happened other than Cocoa Type just destroying everything. Destroying the world. But we'll see you all soon. Bye-bye.